Hi, I'm Sarah from Heirloom Creations, and I am right now watching an amazing piece being stitched out on the Bernina Q24 Q-matic with the software. And I'm here with Amy, who has designed an entire whole cloth quilt. And I just had to stop and kind of catch this in progress because nobody's going to believe what I've been able to watch as this has been coming out. So how big is this quilt going to be?
Finished size is about 97 inches square.
Now, as I'm looking at this screen, I am seeing a lot of different elements that has gone into you. Is it like a puzzle? Like, did you create this all by yourself?
It was kind of a puzzle. When I bought the design, there was a layout map, I guess you'd call it, and I did my best, left out a couple elements that I didn't care for, put in a couple that I thought looked nice.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna be amazing. And then it looks like it just does each section, and then as it's done with each section, it's gonna pause. Yes. And then kind of like an embroidery design, we just move to the next starting point. Is that about how easy it is?
It is.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be awesome. Are you making this for yourself?
Yeah.
We're kind of it could definitely go on a bed or on a wall. It's like a piece of art.
It's kind of a see if I can do it thing.
The challenge.
The challenge of
yes.
it, you know. We put our heads together here at the store to see what might be involved, and it's turning out fairly well.
From the first stitch when I first saw it, I'm like, what in the world is this going to look like? And it is going to be pretty fantastic.
I can hardly wait to see it done. I think taking it off the frame is going to be really exciting.
Yes, because as you go, you're just rolling it up. It's like it's going in its like little own box, and it's going to be a surprise when it's all done. Can you tell how many stitches are in this design, or do we even want to know that number?
I can tell. The machine has a stitch counter for the project.
Yes.
I haven't looked at it in a while, but it was getting kind of large.
Just a little bit, yes. Now, have I also heard that you can take embroidery designs, bring them into the Q-matic software, and translate it into the same
Sew and Stitch software? You can convert a embroidery quilting design to machine quilting.
Yep. Oh my goodness, this is like got potential. Now, how big is this frame again? We've got it set up for how long?
12-foot frame.
12-foot frame. It's just running all by itself. I mean, this is the way to do it. It's kind of like if you like embroidery, this would be this is the quilting of pushing your button and going for it.
It is.
What's your favorite part of this whole entire system? I mean, you got to go to the Bernina training, so from day one, you fell in love with this.
Well, I think I was in love before I went to the training, but the complexity of the design that I'm able to do with the Q-matic as opposed to learning to do free motion is so impressive.
It is going to be gorgeous. So I can't wait to show you the finished result, but we wanted to let you see a little sneak peek while it's being stitched.